Good, good morning. Welcome to Airbus. Please have a seat. Could you tell me your name, the position you're applying for?
Good morning, my name is Editha Sanchez and I applied for the position of mechanical engineer in Airbus. I will always admire this company for its innovation and committed to
That's
technology.
great to hear. Could you tell me a bit about your professional background? Where did you work before?
Of course, I worked for 3 years in a manufacturing company that designed aircraft components. My main tasks were to design and test new mechanical systems, analyze technical problems, and coordinate with different departments to improve production efficiency. I also collaborated with software engineers in developing new 3D modeling tools.
That's so interesting. What specific project did you work on?
One of my most important projects was the optimization of engine part. I worked for 6 months with a team of specialists to make it lighter and more resistant. We had to test the material carefully and run simulation constantly. It was challenging, but we managed to reduce the weight by 10%, which was a big success.
Impressive. That skill do you think are essential for this hub and
I
Airbus?
believe an engineer needs to work efficiently and effectively, especially when handling complex systems. I'm good at solving problems quickly and analyzing data accurately. I also communicate well with teammates because teamwork is key in this field. Besides, I always try to learn new technologies and adapt easily to change.
That's very good attitude. How would you describe yourself as a professional?
I'm responsibly, hardworking, and creative. I like to face challenges and fit innovation solutions. Sometimes the work can be difficult, but stay focused and make sure everything is on perfectly. And one time, I always give my best effort to reach the company goals.
Great. And what motivates you to work for Airbus?
Airbus is one of the most respected companies in the aerospace industry and is represented excellent in technology and sustainability. I want to grow with a company that values innovation and teamwork. I'm also very interested in your current projects on eco-efficient aircraft and I love to contribute my experience to make aviation more sustainable.
That's very inspiring, Edita. It seems that you have a strong passion for your profession. That do you usually to keep improving your
I read
skills?
a lot about new engineer trends and take online courses related to aerospace materials and artificial intelligence. I also attend workshops whenever possible. I believe engineers should never stop learning because technology is changing fast and we need to evolve with it.
Excellent, my set. Thank you very much, Edita. I think you would be a great addition to the Airbus team. We'll contact you soon for the next stage of the selection process.
Thank you so much for your time. It was a pleasure to meet you and talk about my experience. Have a great day.
You too, Edita. Goodbye and good luck.
Goodbye.